1 in 5 women and girls in Kenya, or about 4 million, have undergone female genital mutilation. This increases to as much as 94% in some areas. Even while these figures have decreased significantly in recent years, they are still far too high. Kenya had a plan to eradicate female genital mutilation by 2022, the end of this year, but Suguta Valley in Samburu County, female genital mutilation seems to be brewing up as girls as young as 9 years old are circumcised and married off.
Kwa Samburu sherehe ikifika, tunasherehekea jioni alafu kesho asubuhi nakatairishwa asubuhi.
The survivors are still given hope as they can undergo reconstructive surgery. This can help alleviate suffering. A US surgeon, Dr. Mercy Bowers, is a pioneer in this field and has operated on hundreds of Kenyans during her visit.
What's cut in FGM is just the tip. So it's like cutting the tip of the iceberg. But beneath the surface is the iceberg. And so what we do in our surgeries is we bring that iceberg or the clitoral body to the surface.
As this still goes on, the question remains, what can really be done to end FGM in Kenya? Dorax Moraa, till next time.